lovely people. This is how you transfer money from your bank account to Coinbase. You will press deposit, then deposit cash. You make sure that you select United States dollar and where you are transferring the money from, which account. As you see here, I have the option of my debit card and 2 different Capital One bank accounts. I chose my second one. Also, you cannot choose anything below $10. There's a $10 limit, so I press 10 just for learning purposes. And you make sure where it says transfer from that is coming from the right account you want it to come from. And then you press submit. And also, you did notice that it said it should be sent by May 1st. So it usually takes up to 3 days. And as you can see, it says the transfer request was sent. I'm going to explain it one more time so that you can understand it fully. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to deposit money from your bank to Coinbase. You are in the Coinbase app now, and you are going to press deposit, deposit cash. You make sure it's on deposit and not withdraw. Hope we can see it good. Okay, you make sure here it says United States dollar. Then it asks you where you transferring the money from. You press it. If you have different payment methods associated with your Coinbase account, that's fine. You just choose whichever account you want to take it from. As you can see, I have my debit card added, and the limit for my debit card with my specific bank is $100. I guess every bank is different. With Apple Pay, it's $100 limit. And my 2 different Capital One bank accounts, the limit is $4,990. Well, it's actually $5,000, but because I had used some cash from it. So I'm going to press this account because that's the one I want money to come from. And like I said before, I already did this transaction before, so I'm not going to complete it again. I'm just showing you the steps. You would press 10, preview. It's just confirming here the bank account you want to use. If it's not correct, of course, you can change it in your final step. But since that's the correct bank account, I'm leaving it. It says available to trade instantly, available to withdraw by May 1st. So then you would press deposit now, and that would complete the transaction. Now, when the money from your bank arrives on Coinbase, you are going to press buy and sell, buy crypto with cash. Then you will press USDC. Then you will press US dollar because that is what we pressed when we were depositing the cash. So you're going to convert it from US dollar to USDC, which is US dollar coin. Then we will put the same $10. Review order. This will be instantly. From your bank account to Coinbase, sometimes it takes a few days. But when you're just converting the coin in the Coinbase app, that is instantly. And then you would press buy now. Now, in order to get the money from your Coinbase to your DSJ account, as you can see, this is the DSJ website. You go to assets, you press deposit, and since Coinbase is affiliated with ERC20, that is the address I'm going to use, the deposit address. I press copy. Then in the Coinbase app, you are going to press crypto, transfer, send. Okay, as you can see, I copied the address from the DSJ account and pasted it into where it says send crypto to in this open slot. I pasted it here. And I had already saved that address link. That's why it has a name with it. I saved it prior to. Select asset to send, which they mean that you want to send to your DSJ account, which will show up here. Let's press the USDC. Then you will press Ethereum. And it says I only have $5.88 available, right? Because the other money that I sent from my bank to Coinbase is not available yet. It says it should be available by when May 1st. So I'm just going to put $5. And you press send now. So as you can see, the $5 I sent over from Coinbase is already reflected on the DSJ website.